Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello friends, everyone is back on Onwado Ritrianto's YouTube channel. On this occasion, I would like to provide tips on how to create a word tree using Microsoft Excel for bibliometric research. Very easy to practice independently. Watch the full video. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is useful. First, we will start preparing a table, namely the keyword data table, as follows. There are columns for keywords, occurrence, and percentage. Block all the tables, then we select diagram or word tree, which is located in the Insert menu. Then after that, in the table block, we will display the results of the word tree. Note that the ratio of the boxes in the word tree is the keyword mode. Next, we can customize it like this. We select several display settings so that the display size is maximum and suitable for readers to see. Then we add the label and the percentage number. Don't forget to also adjust the size so that the text and numbers look better. We need to rearrange the things that are needed to make this word tree more informative. You can do what suits you based on your own criteria. Here, I can also change some other custom words from the word tree. If we feel that the appearance is sufficient, it's time for us to copy and paste it into Microsoft Word. Some bibliometrics display word trees to make it more interesting to read. Please, friends, all of you can do your own tutorial in Microsoft Excel. Hopefully, this video is useful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the YouTube column below. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.